If you're experiencing a video buffer error on Coursera Enterprise, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause video buffering issues. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clearing your browser's cache can help resolve playback issues. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache images and files. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try playing the video again. Step 3. Update your browser. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with video playback. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and see if that resolves the buffering issue. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, try accessing Coursera on a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. If the video plays without issues on another platform, consider reinstalling or resetting your original browser. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the video buffer error and continue your learning experience on Coursera Enterprise. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Coursera support for further assistance.